Almaz is an Arabic name, ultimately derived from the Middle Persian almay-diaresis s, meaning diamond or jewel. It is also Spanish for souls and Hungarian for apples. In Mongolian folklore, an almaz was a humanoid creature with dark black fur said to live in the mountains, like the Yeti. This name is all over the map. Anahita was an ancient Persian deity of water, fertility, and healing. She is often associated with the Greek goddesses Artemis, Aphrodite, and Athena. Nahid is a modern variation of Anahita and the Persian word for Venus, giving the name a celestial vibe. Allah is a Persian name borrowed from the Arabic ilay-diaresis ha, meaning goddess. Naming your daughter Ilahi will make her feel special from the day she's born. A cute and stylish name, Farhanak, is derived from the Persian name Parvana, modified because there's no P in Arabic. It was first used as a female name in the Persian epic Shahnameh for the mother of Faridah, an Irani hero and king.
In Persian mythology, Homer was a bird spirit that spent its entire life flying high above the earth, never landing on the ground. Naming your daughter Homer could inspire her to rise above life's challenges. Kimia has the potential to be a worldwide sensation with its elegant sound and simple spelling. It means rare or alchemy, referencing the 11th century Sufi text Kimia Yisa apostrophe diaresis dat, or the alchemy of happiness. Nicknames aren't hard to come by, with Kim, Kimi, and Mia making our short list. A popular choice among our Persian girls' names, Layla is a variation of Layla, meaning night. Layla has taken the West by storm, ranking in the US Top 1000 since 1900. Laylas aren't hard to find, including the Turkish orphan in Lord Byron's poem, Don Juan, and the mother of Nessim Hosnani in Lawrence Durrell's renowned book series, The Alexandria Quartet.
Madat is difficult to say and spell, making it a hard sell outside of Iran. Still, it has a beautiful meaning, daughter of the moon, which may make you think twice. Nilufar is an exotic beauty primarily used in Iran, Turkey, and Azerbaijan. It means water lily, an aquatic plant that inhabits ponds, lakes, and streams. In Persian culture, water lilies symbolize purity because even though their roots grow in mud, their flowers emerge from the water, beautiful and clean. Rudab was a mythical princess of Kabul and wife of Zal in the Persian epic, Shahnameh. She had 2 children, one of whom was Rostam, the leading hero of the Shahnameh. This mythical name is rarely used in modern times, ensuring your daughter will stand out from the crowd. Thanks for your kind love. Your subscription is our proud. If you find any mistake, please inform and guide us. Thanks again. Please subscribe our YouTube channel The Finders.